Sure ako may nanginginig na mga bulls ngayon sa ginawa ni Congressman Kiko Barzaga. Wow, saludo talaga ako sa'yo, Congressman. Lalong-lalo na guys sa sinabi niya sa speech niya na if he will die fighting. Wow, grabe. Our new generation, Jose Rizal. Oo, eto panoorin natin yung speech niya.
My fellow citizens, our President Marcos no longer served the interests of the Filipino people, but rather the interests of his family and his political allies. For over 3 years, we have endured the inadequacies of his presidency, from almost losing Mindanao to secession, to the escalating tensions almost leading us to war, and lastly, to our current problem now. The hundreds of billions of flood control funds stolen. Worst cousin, former House Speaker Martin Romualdez, was implicated in the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. In relation to that, I have recently discovered a plot where they plan to
Wow! October 12, guys, this coming Sunday. People power na. Wow, grabe at grabe guys, sumbabog din ang likes at comments sa videong ito. Grabe. Sabi ni Marie Ann Carag, kinilabutan ako. Salamat at may Gen Z tayo na matapang at naninindigan para sa bayan. Go Kong Kiko. Wow! At sobra dami namang paninira ang ginagawa ng mga kakamping. Alam mo kasi guys, they will never support people power kasi mas ayaw naman nila si BP Sara, no, kaysa sa ano umunlad yung Pilipinas, mas ayaw nila kay BP Sara, oh, 'di ba? They are not anti-corruption, they're just anti-Duterte. Yung mga kakamping na yan. Nako guys, grabe. Sabi ni Rooney Doke, Kong Kiko, your eloquence is unmistakable. Yet those whose interests you challenge may choose to misconstrue your words. Yes, kasi sobrang daming alam mo yung mga politiko ngayon, sinasabi nila na, yan si Kiko Parzaga ano yan, eh, alam mo yung may diferensya daw sa utak tapos ano daw sinasakyan daw ng mga politicians na talagang gusto ding bumagsak daw yung administrasyon. No, he's for the people. Siya lang yung nakakasabi lahat ng mga hinanaing ng mga Filipino people. Grabe, kaya sobrang daming sumusuporta sa kanya, hindi mga politicians na gustong alam mo yung wasakin lang or pabagsakin lang yung admin. No, it's the Filipino people. We support Congressman Kiko Barzaga. Wow, grabe. Grabe talaga. I love the "We almost lost Mindanao." Ituloy na 'yan. We Mindanaoans 'yan ang gusto. Gusto namin ng salitang sariling mundo na hindi magulo at walang mga hipokrito. Correct. When you speak, many are listening. Am I saying Dr. Jose Rizal here? Yes. Future president of the PH. Wag muna, bata pa siya masyado. Kong Kiko is more verbally intellectual than the president, has substance, and may actually run for higher office. Yes, in the future. People power the second, people power two in the making. Count me in. I second motion, Mr. Chair. Sabi dito ni Ricky Cruz, wow, sobrang taas nito ha, basahin ko. I am not yellow or pink or PRRD. I am a Filipino, still hopeful of a great Philippines. I stayed behind as most good people and relatives I know migrated somewhere else. But now I'm entering my senior years, asking, how can I help my country? I know I am not alone. In my younger years, I have already witnessed the corruption as if it's normal and good. We were not able to curve it. And I think, based on my first-hand experience, now it became extremely bad that almost everyone is doing it. True. Grabe na talaga. Sobra na yung corruption. At least naman, no, sabi ni Marcoleta, at least naman mabawasan talaga. Kasi hindi naman talaga mawawala yung corruption, guys. Kasi mismo tayo sa mga trabaho natin, kinukurap natin yung mga time, 'di ba? Kahit yung sa call center, 'pag natutulog ka, you're corrupting your time na. Instead of sagutin mo yung calls, dina-drop mo, yung mga gano'n. Naku, sabi ni JV Hinlo, "The cat is actually a lion." Si JV Hinlo, yes, yung tumakbong senador sa PDP laban. Sabi ni Martina Balile Notarte, "I almost cried and I felt deeply sad every word that Kong Kiko said true." Yun din yung na-feel ko. As in, alam mo yung ilang times ko paulit-ulit na pinakinggan, pinanood yung video. Grabe. Especially his future. Correct. Me? What can I give as a support is to ask God the Father to help these people who wanted to have a better place for all the Filipino people to live in within Philippine archipelago. And I'm sure God is listening to our cry and He is working for it in His time. True. Grabe, nakakaiyak, guys. Kasi iba yung tapang niya, eh. Try mo nga kalabanin si Romualdez tsaka yung si BBM tsaka yung asawa niya. Tingnan ko lang kung naku, guys, hindi talaga madali kalabanin sila. Kaya for Congressman Kiko to do this, grabe, it's suicidal. Oo. A cat's meow turns out to be a lion's roar. Yes, kasi ginagawa talaga nilang ano, eh, baliw si Kiko Barsaga, eh, ngayon 'di ba una si Romualdez natanggal, pangalawa si Zaldico nag-resign, ngayon naman si Ping Lacson nag-resign as, Senate Blue Ribbon Committee Chair, o 'di ba? Sino kayang susunod? Naku, sana si BBM na talaga yung sumunod na mag-resign, 'di ba? Para naman talaga kahit paano, ay hindi na madagdagan yung mga utang, madagdagan man, pero sa ikabubuti ng Pilipinas. Kaya guys, anong masasabi niyo? Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and mag-comment na rin kung anong masasabi niyo dito. Have a great day everyone. God bless. Bye.